Maisy's Pool by Lucy Cousins. Maisy, it's too hot today. I want to play in the water. I have a good idea. Let me look into my shed. Ha! I found you. The wading pool. Let me blow it up. Puff, puff, puff. I can help to fill the pool with water. Hooray! Good job, Tallulah. Now it's time to put on our swimsuits. My swimsuit is pink. My swimsuit is a colorful one. Ready, set. Oh no, the wading pool has a hole in it. Aha, I have a good idea. Don't worry, I can handle it. Zoop, zoop. Maisy mends the hole with some tape. That's better. Then along comes Eddie in his swimming trunks. 1, 2, 3, put on. Eddie sit in the pool. Oh, Eddie, there's no room for Maisy and Tallulah. I can give you a shower. Shh, shh. Hooray! Now everyone is cool. The end.